Greetings students, in this session of the electrician trade, you will be taught how to control the speed and how to reverse the direction of the rotation of the AC motors using thyristors or using an AC drive.
Objectives. You will be able to use it at the end of this exercise. Read and interpret details of the AC drive nameplates. Connect the AC drive's input and output terminals into an AC motor. Identify the operating buttons on AC drive. Control the motor speed by using AC drive. Use an AC drive to reverse the direction of rotation of a three-phase induction motor. Let us take a look at the tools that are required to control the speed and reverse the direction of rotation of AC motors by using thyristors or an AC drive. Insulated combination pliers 150 mm 1. Screwdriver 200 mm 1. Connector screwdriver 100 mm 1. Electrician's knife 100 mm 1. Round nose plier 150 mm 1. Equipments or machines: 3-phase induction motor 5 HP 415 volt 1. AC drive 3-phase 415 volt 2 HP 1. Materials: PVC insulated stranded copper cable 1.5 square mm 15 meter. PVC insulated flexible cable 14 by 0.2 mm 2 meter. Insulated tape 1 meter. Fuse wire as required. Let us take a look at the preparations to control the speed and reverse the direction of rotation of the AC motors using thyristors and AC drive. In this exercise, our first task is to connect the input-output terminals of AC drive through AC motor. Ensure safety. Before starting any electrical work, make sure to turn off the power supply and follow proper safety precautions such as wearing protective gear. Identify terminals. Identify the input and output terminals on both the AC drive and the AC motor. Identify and trace the internal circuit of the AC drive. Note down the nameplate details of the given motor and AC drive and enter them in Table 1 and 2. Check the switch or MCB, cables and fuse wire rating and match with motor rating. Draw the connection diagram of ICTP drive motor. Power input connection. Connect the power supply lines to the input terminals of the AC drive. This typically involves connecting the L1, L2 and L3 phases to the respective terminals on the drive. L1, L2, L3, L1, L2, L3 phases to the respective terminals on the drive. Grounding. Connect double earth independently for the main switch, AC drive and the motor. Motor output connection. Connect the output terminals of the AC drive to the input terminals of the AC motor. Control wiring. Connect any control wires necessary for operations such as start or stop signals or speed control signals according to the specific requirements of your application. This may involve connecting wires from control devices such as a PLC or control panel to the appropriate terminals on the AC drive. Connect the motor, AC drive, main switch as per approved. Check connections. Once all connections are made, double-check all the wiring to ensure proper connections and no loose connections. Make sure all connections are secure and properly insulated. Power up. After verifying the connections, turn on the power supply and power up the AC drive. Check for any error codes or fault indicators on the drive. Our next task is to connect, run the motor and setting the parameter for different speed. Select the suitable type of model AC drive. Connect and wire the AC drive input power supply with terminals RL1, SL2, TL3 when the output terminals UT1, VT2, WT3 are connected to the motor. Switch on the power supply main. Press the run or stop button. The motor will run. Measure the speed of the motor by using the tachometer and record it. RPM, revolutions per minute. Increase and decrease the frequency and check the change in speed of the motor. Increase the frequency, check the speed of the motor. Check the change in speed of the motor. RPM. Increase the frequency, check the speed of the motor. Press the stop button and turn off main power supply to disconnect the supply. Our next task is to reverse the direction of rotation in AC motor by setting in AC drive. For this process, we should first switch on the power supply main. Now press the run or stop button. Consider the rotation of the motor as forward direction. Set the parameter for the reverse direction. Press run or stop button key. The motor will run in reverse direction. Press the stop button to stop the motor. Turn off the main power supply and disconnect the drive.
Recap. Let us just recap what you have learned so far. Read and interpret details of the DC drive nameplates. Connect the AC drive's input and output terminals into an AC motor. Identify the operating buttons on AC drive. Control the motor speed by using AC drive. Use an AC drive to reverse the direction of a rotation of 3-phase induction motor. I hope you all understand how to regulate the speed and reversing the direction of rotation of AC motor using thyristors or AC drive. Let us meet again in the next session. Thank you, students. Bye.